What is a mole, and why do scientists treat it like one of the most important numbers in the universe? At first glance, the word mole might sound strange, but in chemistry, it is absolutely essential. A mole is not an object or a substance, it is a way of counting. Just like a dozen means 12 items, a mole represents a very specific number of particles. One mole is defined as 6.022 times 10 superscript 2 superscript 3 particles. This number is known as Avogadro's number, and it is unimaginably large. Why do we need such a huge number? Because atoms and molecules are incredibly tiny. If we tried to count them one by one, chemistry would be impossible. The mole gives scientists a bridge between the microscopic world of atoms and the macroscopic world we can measure in a lab. A mole can count anything at the atomic level: atoms, molecules, ions, or even electrons. 1 mole of water contains 6.022 times 10 superscript 2 superscript 3 water molecules. 1 mole of carbon contains the same number of carbon atoms. The key idea is that the number of particles is always the same, even though their masses are very different. This leads to another powerful concept: molar mass. The molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole of it, measured in grams. For example, carbon has a molar mass of about 12 grams per mole, while oxygen has a molar mass of about 16 grams per mole. That means 12 grams of carbon and 16 grams of oxygen each contain exactly the same number of atoms. The mole is also crucial for understanding chemical reactions. Equations in chemistry are really mole ratios. When a reaction shows that 2 molecules of hydrogen react with 1 molecule of oxygen, it really means 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen. This allows chemists to predict how much product will form and how much reactant is needed. Without the mole, modern chemistry, from medicines to batteries to space fuel, would not work. It is the invisible counter that keeps the atomic world organized. So, the next time you hear the word mole, remember, it is not just a number. It is the key that allows us to measure the unmeasurable.